I've worked sheet metal since I was about 18. Always heard this was one of the best shops in town to work at.
There ain't much we can't do, and if we can't do it, we'll figure out a way.
There's more to it than welding. You got to interpret the drawing, take what you're looking at on the drawing and turn it into something.
Fun thing about metal is the fact that you can do a whole lot with it. You can make it look nice at the end. That's the real good part.
Actually come up with a way to build it and make it work. And I like the challenge of doing that.
We have a long-term product and we have quality for life.
What amazes me is the large-scale pieces we can build over here. It was for Morton Salt a while back. That thing was humongous. I think we even had the garage doors widened just to get it out of here.
When you walk into Walmart or Target and who eats the yogurt that goes through our machines or drinks the beer that goes through our brewery systems, the milk that feeds the world.
For open book management, getting to see people that are actively trying to help employees understand how they play a part in the bigger picture of Mueller and what it has to offer.
I know this is not modest, but I have emails from customers praising the help that we have given them, yes.
Is that hard for you to say?
Yeah, because it's not always good to pat your own back.
Each time we do something new, when we find an innovative way to make that tank or to meet that deadline, I like going home and sharing that new thing.
That moment when it's on the trailer and it's leaving, it's hitting the highway, it's heading down the road. It's a good feeling of success.
I love the people I work with. There's something exciting when you get to not only see a product being built, but then you have a team that's doing it.
I have friends here. I mean, never really had too many friends until I started working here.
It's more like family than a team, really. I mean, yeah, we help each other like a team. We work together. If somebody's struggling, anybody will go up and help them.
Not to get too, but we do. We care about everybody being safe and going home in one piece.
I would say that we are very careful to spend the time collaborating with the customer, really diving in and getting to the root of what meets their needs.
Hardworking. Everybody is willing to put in the time that it takes to get a job done.
I plan on working here probably until I can work here. And if that's till I retire, I plan on working here till I retire.
No cracks, no pits, no nothing. Because the milk will stick in that, and if we don't get all that stuff out, it ruins the tank, it'll rust. And we can't have that. We cannot have that.
It's just that kind of feeling that you would get where it's kind of a loyalty.
Mueller Blue is just it's a family term. You're part of a family. That family is what comes together. We might be slightly dysfunctional at times, but we always come together.
I think it sounds like a large, strong organization. So that's what it means to me. It means that we're a strong company.
That means that you're bought in and invested in this company as a stakeholder, a true stakeholder in this company and its longevity, its survival, its influence in the world. You're proud to wear Mueller Blue.
It means pride to me. I take pride in that label we put on that tank.